Hey, how was your day?
It was good. Just busy with work. Yours?
What's your favorite movie?
I love action films. How about you?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Maybe just relax at home. You?
Have you tried the new coffee shop downtown?
Not yet. Is it good?
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy reading and going for walks. You?
I'm craving pizza tonight.
Perfect. I love pizza. Let's order some.
How do you stay motivated at work?
Setting small goals helps. Do you like to travel?
Absolutely. Exploring new places is so much fun. Did you catch the game last night?
No, I'm not really into sports. How was it?
I heard there's a new art exhibition in town.
That sounds interesting. Let's check it out.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like a bit of everything, but I lean towards pop. You?
Have you ever tried cooking Indian food?
Not yet, but I'd love to learn. Do you cook?
Any plans for the holidays?
Just spending time with family. How about you?
Do you have a favorite book?
The Great Gatsby is a classic I enjoy. You?
I'm thinking of starting a new hobby.
That's great. What are you thinking?
How do you handle stress?
I usually take a walk or listen to music. You?
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I love winter. The snow is so beautiful. You?
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yeah, a couple of times. They're so much fun.
What's the last movie you watched?
I saw a comedy last night. It was hilarious.
I'm thinking of redecorating my room.
That sounds exciting. Need any help?
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a younger brother. You?
I'm trying to be more eco-friendly.
That's awesome. What changes are you making?
Coffee or tea in the morning?
Definitely coffee. I can't function without it.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yeah, I love being outdoors. Hiking is great.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Not really. I prefer playing sports over watching.
What's your dream job?
I've always wanted to be a photographer. You?
Do you have any pets?
Just a cat named Luna. She's adorable.
I love the smell of fresh rain.
Me too. It's so refreshing.
Do you believe in luck? What's the most adventurous thing you've done?
I once went skydiving. It was incredible.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yeah, live music has a different vibe.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans.
I'm terrible at remembering names.
I struggle with that too sometimes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl. Mornings are a struggle.
Do you like surprises?
Yeah, as long as they're good ones.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
It's a good goal. What changes are you making?
Beach or mountains for a vacation?
Tough choice, but I think I prefer the mountains.
I love the smell of fresh-baked cookies.
Me too, especially chocolate chip cookies.
Are you a planner or more spontaneous?
A bit of both. I like having a plan, but enjoy spontaneity too.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Probably family vacations by the beach. How about you?
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yeah, especially when no one's watching.
I'm trying to learn a new language.
That's impressive. Which one?
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Don't Stop Believin' by Journey. Yours?
I love the sound of rain on a tin roof.
It's so calming, like nature's lullaby.
Do you have any phobias?
Spiders terrify me. What about you?
I'm thinking of adopting a plant.
A great idea. They add so much to a space.
Do you enjoy attending weddings?
Yeah, the celebration of love is always beautiful.
I'm not a morning person either.
Mornings are overrated, right?
Do you believe in second chances?
Yeah, people can change and grow.
I love the first snowfall of the year.
It's magical, like a winter wonderland.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree with family. You?
I enjoy watching sunsets.
They're like nature's way of saying, "Good job, you survived another day."
I'm terrible at directions.
I rely on GPS for everything, no shame.
Do you have a favorite season?
I love the colors of autumn. How about you?
I'm trying to cut down on screen time.
It's tough, right? We're so glued to our devices.
I've never been good at small talk.
Me neither. I prefer meaningful conversations.
I enjoy volunteering in my free time.
That's wonderful. Where do you volunteer?
I love the smell of old books.
There's something nostalgic about it.
I'm thinking of getting a pet.
Pets bring so much joy. What are you considering?
I'm not a fan of horror movies.
Me neither. They always give me nightmares.
I'm trying to learn to play the guitar.
That's cool. Any specific reason? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.